Febira Faza Salsabila,
and I'm Maulida Tiniskia Rahma, as representative of the OAV 7 2024 poster competition from
Politeknik Negeri Jakarta.
It is such an honor for us to participate in this competition and integrate our ideas and creativities.
We are proud to present our poster titled Build Wealth by Playing a Significant Role in Capital Markets to Advance Inclusive and Future Economic Transformation. As students, we play a significant role here, and the benefits outlined in the poster are inclusive, then future economic transformation is our job as students, and the analogy of planting investment trees is used in the points, what can we do, and it's like a planting. So let's explore together how a significant role in capital markets can be key to creating wealth and advancing inclusive and sustainable economic transformation. We use the visual team treasury hunt here is not a description of the investment process, rather it is a prediction of the benefits of investment. We want to show that the benefits of investing in the capital market are both expected and unexpected. The expected is clearly for the benefit of investors, and the unexpected is the benefit that will be felt directly on the economic sustainability for a country, which we will explain further in the content of our poster content below.
For the capital market function for a country economy, 1. It can be as a source of corporate capital or as a way for enterprises to raise funds from the investor community. This basically means that corporates can raise the money they need for a variety of use, such as research and development, infrastructure investment, or corporate expansion by selling investor share or bonds. 2. A way for the general public to invest in financial assets such as stock, bond, mutual fund, and other capital market instruments. This is mean how the capital market gives the general population the chance to enjoy the financial instrument and diversity their holding by making use the wide range of financial assets that are accessibility.
After we know the function, there are benefits of the capital market for a country that can have an impact on its economy. First, it becomes a source of tax revenue for the state, so every tax in the transaction goes into the state's cash and is recorded as an invoice. As a result, capital market transactions benefit not just market players and investors, but also the state through tax payments made by market participants. The government can then use these taxes to fund a variety of programs and policies aimed at enhancing community welfare and national development. The second benefit are investment in capital markets also has great benefits and impacts on gross domestic product, and additional capital can be used to establish a current industrial sector or an up-to-date economy. Investment and GDP or national income are closely related concepts. In addition to increasing household consumption and improving company production processes, more investment will also positively correlate with the nation's infrastructure development. Growing GDP supports the government's development initiative and encourages investment and new ventures. Additionally, investment fosters a positive business environment that supports the expansion of industries, including UMKM, medical devices, housing, and many more. Business growth creates employment, which boosts household consumption and consumer purchasing power. Adding capital to the economy can boost emerging or modern industries. The term emerging industries refers to innovative, cutting-edge, or technology-based sectors that have formed as the economy has developed. Capital infusion can help accelerate the growth and development of these industries, resulting in a vibrant ecosystem. This ecosystem consists of numerous aspects like as businesses, startups, financial institutions, supporting infrastructure, and human resources that all contribute to the growth and sustainability of these industries. Thus, capital raising can serve as a catalyst for developing and strengthening a dynamic and relevant industry ecosystem.
3. Furthermore, the benefit of the capital market for a country is its ability to attract foreign investors interested in investing in the country. With effective capital market management, foreign investors will be interested in injecting their capital into Indonesia. What the advantage? The presence of foreign investor allowed the company to expand its business reach. Interested corporate growth also contributes to a country economic progress. We, as students, may also play an essential part in the Indonesian capital market to help speed our country economic growth. Here are several roles that we, as students, can play in this process. 1. Become an agent of literacy and education in this situation. Students must be able to take on the role of literacy and education facilitator by leading seminars, giving training sessions, or interacting with people about the capital market. By doing this, we can assist the general public in making more sensible financial choice. 2. Develop online or social media education platform that discuss investment and provide capital market guidance to the public. Referring back to the profit point, students can create social media page or online learning environment that educate the public about investing and offer advice on the capital market. This is intended to increase general capital market investment knowledge and financial literacy.
The third role as a students that we can do is collaborate with financial institutions such as the Indonesian Stock Exchange. Students can take part in structured study groups on economics and capital markets on their campus or on other campuses by actively digging deeper into the investment galleries run by the relevant organizations. And these investment galleries collaborate with financial institutions such as the Indonesian Stock Exchange. As you can see, this data shows that investor interest reached 10.31 million in 2022 and climbed into 12.16 million in 2023, thanks to 1.85 million more investors as a result of education, socialization, seminars, and other events. We acquired this data from the most recent statistic released by the Indonesian Stock Exchange on December 29, 2023. It's like planting a tree that we will personally harvest when we invest in our future.
1. It all starts with selecting a seeding that fit your financial objective and time range.
Then, we plant the trees based on the seedlings we choose.
3. To enjoy the rewards, of course, will require some time and effort.
Thus, for the sake of Indonesia's economic sustainability, we, as engaged young people and students, need to be bold in our decision making when it comes to investing in the capital market with adequate understanding. Let's invest in our future while increasing the chances for
Every individual to participate in the economic change.
Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.